The Factory X project, part of the Manufacturing X initiative by the Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Energy, creates cross-company added value through a digital ecosystem and the Asset Administration Shell, short AAS. The demonstrator for the AAS-based MX Port Leo illustrates, through several use cases along the product lifecycle, how companies can collaborate effectively by using standardized data. Under the leadership of ZVEI, the demonstrator was developed, together with experts from the Factory X project, to highlight the importance of the Asset Administration Shell and its functional capabilities for industry.
It is an international standard. It is an IEC standard, so which can everybody in the world use and could know. Leo is a port to connect AAS to data spaces. And the data space Factory X has a few of ports there, and one is the Leo port, and AAS with the identity management and with the security is one of these important ports. What we have done in past is that we have asked our companies who is using AAS according to the international standard, and 75 companies have signed this LOI that they are using this AAS today or in the near future.
The MX Port Leo is based on AAS technology and serves as the communication standard for cross-company interoperable data exchange. The AAS accompanies the product as a digital twin throughout its entire lifecycle. AAS technology enables the connection of all products, processes and stakeholders within the digital Factory X ecosystem.
The MX Port Leo is an implementation along the standards of the Asset Administration Shell, namely the standard IEC 63278-1, Asset Administration Shell structure, and the specifications of the Asset Administration Shell released by the Industrial Digital Twin Association. This demonstrator shows the collaboration along the product lifecycle from engineering to the end of life. We can see a drivetrain, components from several suppliers are combined, an electrical drive from Lenze, a gearbox from Wittgenstein, an axis from Festo, all driving a gripper from Schunk. The automation uses equipment from Festo, Phoenix Contact, Hilscher and Siemens.
Any product with a digital image is potentially a smart product. Thanks to MX Port Leo, the right data can be accessed in a paperless fashion at the right time and place. The AAS technology enables simple, consistent and automated retrieval of machine-readable data.
The AAS technology, which is widely used and further developed in Factory X, is the standard for accessing and retrieving industrial product data. With AAS, we create digital twins for each industrial asset. A digital twin contains all relevant product information in a standardized form. Manufacturers or vendors of industrial products benefit because they can provide their customers with all essential information in digital form and can quickly inform them about information changes.
Smart engineering systems can work with current product data across companies using standardized data models. Using MX Port Leo, product data can be accessed in a standardized manner across manufacturers and integrated into their own systems.
MX Port Leo helps to realize seamless data continuity in collaborative engineering processes along integrated tool chains. MX Port Leo can be integrated with state-of-the-art engineering processes.
The data from smart engineering is passed on to the production stakeholders via the MX Port Leo and can also be used in assembly. In this step, the purely digital twin is transformed into a physical product.
AAS closes the gap between IT systems and between different legal entities. This is essential in our world where engineering and production may not be part of the same company. The technology also creates a benefit for common systems like ePlan and SAP. They are now able to collaborate.
Thanks to MX Port Leo, device usage data, product process data, and production control data are available. The data does not need to be searched for manually, checked in terms of being up to date, or provided specifically to the respective users.
The MX Port Leo makes the handover of digital twins possible. With the MX Port Leo, I can scan the ID link and transfer the information into my factory's information systems. From there, it is available to all my internal applications. Compared to current processes, the use of the MX Port Leo is about increasing efficiency and keeping the information at a high level.
With the CodeBrack platform, we want to help both plant operators and device manufacturers to simplify the exchange of asset data with the help of the DPP 4.0. The platform is a cloud-based management system for asset administration shells. So if you scan an ID link on a device, the platform checks if the asset data is available at the vendor server and retrieves the information.
Using a unified AAS mechanism, manufacturers can provide information on product changes and software updates. The MX Port Leo allows users to access the provided information in a standardized manner across multiple manufacturers.
To keep the shop floor equipment up to date and secure, you need the latest software updates and fixes. With the MX Port Leo, you can get notifications directly into your target system in a machine-readable format. This way, the right person will be informed and the automated process fulfills the requirements for security and upcoming regulations such as the Cyber Resilience Act.
With the common device management, you can keep an overview over the installed base of operation technology assets and efficiently manage these. Leveraging the MX Port Leo, the common device management uses the asset information from the inventory to query so-called product change notifications from the different vendors present on the shop floor. Based on this, an informed decision can be taken if and when to update affected devices in order to keep the shop floor up to date and secure.
The AAS-based MX Port Leo and the R-Grading workflow app form the foundation for a data-driven circular economy. Organizations can shift from reactive, experience-based assessments of machine and component conditions to proactive, data-driven strategies aimed at extending their operational lifetime.
The R-Grading workflow app is our first step toward a data-driven circular economy for industrial machines. The app connects factory operators, machine builders and component suppliers in one digital workflow. This enables transparent, secure and collaborative data use, breaking down silos while protecting valuable intellectual property. As resources are becoming more limited and markets more uncertain, it's important that we are able to keep machines and their components in use for as long as possible.
Factory X shows the demonstrator for the AAS-based MX Port Leo makes the vision of a connected, sustainable product lifecycle tangible.